Toddler food: turkey, lettuce, tomato sandwich for ages 12 months and up. I'm Novena, the Chinese medicine practitioner. I will be demonstrating how to prepare this healthy and delicious meal for toddlers. It is balanced in nutritional value, with low salt and high fiber. It has a slight cooling nature and is suitable for children with neutral or hot body constitutions. The ingredients include turkey thigh, cheddar cheese, oregano, white pepper, olive oil, whole wheat bread, tomato, lettuce, and garlic. A complete list of the ingredients are in the description box down below. Firstly, wash the turkey thigh. Remove the bones. Mince the garlic. Season the turkey with garlic, olive oil, oregano, and white pepper for 15 minutes. Turkey is a neutral-natured meat. Adding the seasoning makes it slightly warm-natured. In the meantime, wash the lettuce. Then put it in boiling water for 30 seconds so it softens. Cut the lettuce and put in a colander to dry. Cover the turkey with 1 inch of water and boil without the lid for 15 minutes. While waiting, wash and peel the tomato and slice it. Tomato and lettuce are cold-natured vegetables. They cool the body down. When the water has evaporated from the turkey, shred it to small pieces. Your sandwich is now ready for assembling. For older kids, spread the cheese, lettuce, tomato, and turkey, and the sandwich is ready. For young toddlers, cut up the bread with cheese. Arrange their food plate colorfully and done. Make and enjoy this healthy sandwich together with your child. You can also substitute the turkey for chicken if it's not available. I am Novena, the Chinese medicine practitioner. Please subscribe for more videos.